Video is about solved MCQs of most repeated chemistry MCQs in ETEA and NMDCAT and Public Service Commission and NTS. Which one of the following will contain both primary and secondary carbons? Ethanol, glycol, glycerol, phenol. So first we will look at their formula. Ethanol has formula CH3CH2OH. Now, what is mean by the primary and secondary carbon? In case of alcohols, here all alcohol are given whether it is dihydroxy, trihydroxy or monohydroxy alcohol. In case of alcohol, the primary carbon is that carbon at which the carbon at which the OH is attached, which is further attached to only one carbon. That is known as primary carbon. For example, if we consider this carbon, because it is attached with OH hydroxy group directly, it is further attached with only one carbon, that is CH3. So this one is primary carbon. Here in case of glycol, the carbon atom which has hydroxy group directly attached with it, it is directly bonded with only one carbon. If we consider this one or either this one by considering this OH group, both of these are directly attached to only one carbon. So this is also primary carbon. In case of glycerol, CH2, CH2, CH2 and all these CH2 are attached with hydroxy group. Now if we consider this one CH2 at which the OH group is directly bonded, it is further attached with only one carbon. So this one is primary. Now if we consider this one which is directly attached with OH group, it is further directly attached with two carbon atom, one on the left side, another one on the right side. So this one is secondary carbon. Here it is also attached with one carbon, so it is also a primary carbon. Now the answer is clear. The glycerol has both primary and secondary carbon atom present in its molecule, so the answer is glycerol. On dry distillation of calcium formate, a compound X is obtained. Identify X, whether it is formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, acetic acid. Now first we will look at the reaction of calcium formate that is treated by the dry distillation. Now calcium formate, when treated by the dry distillation, it will produce calcium carbonate plus formaldehyde. Now in answer, the option A is formaldehyde, so it is the correct answer. For a reaction, X2 plus Y2 will produce 2XY. The experimental data suggest rate of reaction is equal to X2 coefficient of 1, Y2 coefficient of half. What is the molecularity of reaction? 2, 1.5, 1.5. Now first we will define the molecularity. Actually the molecularity is the number of molecules that are taking part in a chemical reaction. Now here it is 1, it is also 1. Now 1 plus 1 will result 2. Now the molecularity is 2, so the answer is A. A solution of ethanol and ether contains 2 moles of ethanol and 5 moles of ether. The mole fraction of ethanol and ether are 2 by 5 and 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and 2 by 5, 2 by 7 and 7 by 5, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. This is the mole fraction. So we will calculate the mole fraction. Mole fraction has a formula that is equal to the mole of component divided by the total moles that are present in a solution. Now the total number of moles for the given solution is 2 moles for ethanol and 5 moles for ether. So we will sum it. We will get 7 moles. 7 moles are the total moles that are present in the system. Now the mole fraction of ethanol. Here the formula is mole of component divided by total moles. So the mole of ethanol are 2 moles. So we will put here 2 divided by total number of moles. Total number of moles are calculated as 7, 2 by 7. And the mole fraction of ether, number of mole of ether are 5. So we will put here 5 divided by total number of moles that are present in a solution is 7. So 5 by 7 is the mole fraction for ether. Now among these answer, 2 by 7 and 5 by 7 is the correct answer. In a reaction, A plus B plus M will result in AB plus M. Which one of the following is catalyst? M, A, B, AB. Now we know that the catalyst as that substances that speed up the chemical reaction, but itself not participating in a chemical reaction, and it will recover at the end of a reaction. Now A plus B will result in AB. Here M is given in form of M, and in the product side the M is also given in the form of M, which means it is not reacted with any other species. Now it is recovered at the end of a reaction, and the catalyst also recovered at the end of a reaction. So the catalyst is M. For more videos, please subscribe the channel.